Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're going to be looking at some hot clearance up to 90% off over at Walgreens. Lots of this stuff too I've been finding recently at many stores, and I was like, wow, I got to make a video about this to share it with you guys because some of this stuff, there's smoke coming off of my keyboard. I'm so excited. Let's remember with clearance merchandise, it's always a year mileage may vary. For example, what's happening here in Michigan might be the same in Texas, but Michigan and Maine might be completely different. So just keep that in mind. When these orange tags usually get put on merchandise, it's usually a Tuesday or a Saturday. Do not be shy to ask an employee, hey, do you have any nice clearance? You might be shocked what you're going to hear. And bring your items to a photo counter, where it's less busy than the front of the store, and ask for a price check some of these items in case you're like, hey, is that on clearance here? You might be shocked what they tell you. Now, with a lot of the makeup that has been 50% off, 75% off. There's nice IBOTTA rebates. The IBOTTA rebates vanished, but they recently came back. We also have a 10 back when you spend 30 on cosmetics. If you can line something up at your store with the clearance cosmetics, make it happen. So we're just going to dive into this. We have some Colgate for $1.09, the Plaque Pro Release, and the other Colgate mouth rinse. So this is all 90% off with digital coupons. Say you had a 3 off, you would need $3 of Colgate to make that work. We also have this really cute double pack of the Gum Detoxify for $1.39 and some dental floss for 18 cents. Look at those side caps. That's where I found the 18-cent dental floss. Lots of baby stuff. We have some beautiful wipes and the pull-ups for $11.49. So that's some, $3-ish savings. We have some baby food and formula as well. If you were trying to get a bunch of little items together for a baby shower and you wanted to use, say, $20 in Walgreens cash, you could probably achieve that with a lot of this baby clearance over at Walgreens. And I'm not sure if there's a rebate for Mommy Bliss on IBOTTA, but definitely check. And just like every little item, if you were going to make like a diaper cake or whatever, cute stuff over at Walgreens on clearance. And a lot of the Walgreens brand face, like acne wash, so on and so forth, 50% off. And the L'Oreal, that was $12.99 from $16.99, another toner. And then a lot of some stores even 90% off. So depending where you are, it might be a little like at 50 or it might be 90. I love 90 whenever it pops up, but a lot of the Walgreens brand, I think it's all being discontinued or they're changing the packaging around. We have a Tresemme to spray away the gray for $5.59. That was an item that recently pennied out at the Dollar General, and the Differin cleanser 50% off at $8.69. Some supplements for you, 90% off of the folic acid, 200 tablets, so that's a huge amount. And then other supplements include more of the Mommy Bliss at 50% off and some ZQuil. Check IBOTTA. I think there might be either coupons or rebates for both of those items if you find that. And we have some hearing aid batteries at 90% off and some legs pantyhose for 70 cents. That's been on clearance for the longest time, so it's nice to see it at 90% off. And then fill up those Easter baskets. The amount off on some of these items isn't very big, but I would check the expiry date because if it's close to that, they're going to make it 90 very quick. That's typically how they move this stuff over at Walgreens. And then if you're like on a low carb, very low sugar diet, lots of these Smart Sweets are also part of it. We have some tongs for 55 cents and the Lieberman mop replacement for $1.29, both 90% off. And then if you don't want to make a big Easter basket, these are 50% off. This little watch by Blue's Clues, and it's a smartwatch for the kiddos. That's a lot easier just to wrap this than to make an Easter basket. I kind of wish I had done something like that instead of these big intricate Easter baskets for my nieces and nephews. We also have this cute little Hot Wheels for $2.19. And almost $8 in savings for the LOL Tweens, a very cute little like knockoff Barbie. We also have this Family Guard for $1.89. I don't think this product did well with consumers because it's on clearance at many stores, including Walgreens. And the final two items we're going to look at are some meat and potatoes for couponers that include the Cottonelle for $3.79. I believe we have a dollar coupon or rebate on Shopmium, making it $2.79. And another product a lot of us have been eyeing is the 6-count of the Scott at $3.79 with a dollar digital. It's $2.79 this week. That's it for this video, guys. Good luck with the clearance, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.